Hey everyone, so we are going to be installing a Smart Devil tempered screen protector here, impact resistant of course, on my 13 mini. I already have one on here, but it's a bit scratched up, and when I put it on, I did a terrible job at it. I don't know what brand that one was. That was so long ago. So with this kit, you get, of course, the instructions here. You get actually a camera lens protector as well. So for the back, you get 3 of these. Film installation toolkit, you get 3 of these. And then you get the screen protector, you get 3 of these. So you get 3 screen protectors, 3 lens protectors, 3 of the installation kit, and then you get 1 of these guys, which is help guide you getting on the screen protector. Inside this film installation toolkit, you get cleaning wipes, you get the dusting stickers, and you get the nice fabric wiper as well. Alright, so I went ahead and got rid of my old screen protector here. So first thing we're going to do, after doing that, is taking out the cleaning wipes, number 1 here. Get this out. Give this a nice wipe down. So this way I'm going to do it just back and forth and all around here, like so. Alright, mine did have some stuff left over from the last screen protector, where I did not have a screen protector. As I said, I misaligned it last time. Again, that was a different brand that did not include one of these guys with it. And usually I'm pretty bad doing this. So this should definitely help. Now my screen is a little bit scratched up. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video or not. It does have some minor scratches on it already. So that is something just to note, I guess. Alright, then after doing the cloth, we will do this, remove any dust. Turn on my screen, apparently. It's nice and sticky to get any dust off of your screen. Mine was pretty good though. Alright, then we will snap this into place. So you just pop it on there, like so. So the top on it. So make sure the top is on the top. The top is not on the bottom. So it does say, that will focus. It does say top right there. It says align that up like so. Make sure it is nice and in place and snug. Then we will get out our screen protector. Part that says tear here. This of course will be going onto the phone. Put it off to the side. Let's see how well I can do this. So we should be able to line it on up the best that I can. Plop it on there and let it do its thing. Alright, so I just touched mine and it was so fast I couldn't even turn the camera back on. I touched in one spot and the entire thing just went on. So what it says to do is just take your finger and smoothly put it on, and then make sure it is nice and on there. So again, I just put on there, like you saw me do, release it, give it a few seconds, touched it, and it just went on. Alright, then hopefully you guys can see this in the video. The screen protector is nice and on here. My camera would focus. Alright, yeah, so it's nice and on there. There we go. And it's actually nicely lined up. Unlike the last one I had where, again, did not have one of these guys, it was way off. So this is nice and smooth, and that was super, super easy to do. Next, let's go ahead and try to get on, let's get on the camera lens protector. So again, there are instructions right here. So basically doing the same thing we did with the front. So take your little wipe this all nice and down, gets rid of any of the smudges or whatever else might be on your phone. I should wipe down my phone itself too a little bit, just because I can. Get a bit of a cleanup. Alright, wipe that. that I think got a little bit more stuff off of it. Take our cloth here, wipe down the rest of my phone again. Then we'll wipe this down. And if you want to, you can do the dusting, the number 3 again. Mine's literally stuck to my table now. There's a way I put it down. I'm just going to not use the duster on this part. All right, then we will take the lens protector here, just kind of push that back and grab the sides of it the best you can. There we go. Then you can see it does have the hole there, which you have for down there, and the spot there for your flash. So make sure we are lining this thing up correctly. So it's trying to make this thing lined up correctly. Now there is no guider for this, so let's see how well I actually do. We kind of line it on up, and we'll put it on down, like so. And then once it is lined up correctly, just kind of press back and forth until it is on there nice and snug. And when you wiggle it back and forth, you will feel if it is on there correctly or not. So I had to move mine around a bit more. Now it is on there nice and correct. Then go ahead and press gently on here to make sure it is applied. And they actually recommend using this guy so you're not smudging this thing up. Do that, or you can just use your finger like I did. Then once it's on there correctly, it will all line up like that. And you can hardly even tell that there's a screen protector on here. Pretty cool. So yeah, that is how you put on, or lens protector. That's how you put on the screen protector, as well as the lens protector here for the Smart Devil tempered screen protector. Again, I'm using an iPhone 13 mini, but they make a whole bunch of these for different phones. So check out the link in the description if you guys want to check these out. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a good one. And thank you to Smart Devil for sending me this product. Goodbye.